Here's something we haven't seen in a long time. No cars in the garage. We got the little man and the little miss putting together this Harbor Freight cherry picker. We might need to do some modifications. Easy, mister, that's awful heavy. Might have to do some modifications to make it function more better. Maybe. Looks like we've made a terrible mistake. It says right there, a minimum of 2 physically fit adults are required to assemble and operate the engine crane. I did it with 2 kids. Uh-oh. Got it back out in the garage here. I'm going to go ahead and put in the new glove box. And we need to do a bunch of other stuff to it. I don't know how much I'll get to today, but listen to that. Somebody's celebrating their Second Amendment rights. With a 22, sounds like. And we'll mess around with it a little bit. I've really got to do something. These tires are too big. The one on the other side scrubs too. Can't stand much of that. I'm going to have to dig some smaller ones out and put them on. Check that out. A vintage 55 tag. I think I got that for 40 bucks. Pretty neat. On the other hand, you'd think a man could install the glove box quickly. Oh no. That was a job. I had to move the clips around because they didn't line up with the holes. And I just think make some stuff that would fit. Don't know how much more I'll do here, but I might mess around a little bit more. What are you doing, Mrs. Heavy Chevy?
Cleaning out stuff on the truck.
I'd just like to apologize publicly for causing you to spill oil all over yourself when you took the oil filter off.
Thank you.
That was a dirty trick.
It was.
Alright, we got the door latch mechanism for the inside of the passenger side. I was getting ready to put it on and noticed it had a broke spring in it. So I dug around in the stash and found another one, which the spring is not broke. However, it's been a victim of the vice grips that 63 Impale is talking about, and a drill bit. So I'm going to try to disassemble both of them and make one. Now this thing comes apart is it's got tabs that slip through the holes there and they bend over on the back side. We'll see how it goes. Well, turns out I was mistaken. That spring's broke too. It just hadn't fell out. I don't know. Let me see if I got another one. There's something I ain't seen before. Well, the spring's broke, but I'm going to try to weld it. I don't know how well that'll work, but it seems like if you temper it, it ought to work again. I'm going to give it a shot. Alright, I done it. I welded the spring. Ain't real pretty, but it works. I heated up almost red hot and dipped it in some oil, and then I just warmed it up a little and let it cool off in some oil. It seemed to give its spring back. Let's see what happens. Did you have a nice nap?
I guess.
Well, got it all back together, and it works like it's supposed to. Kind of proud of myself. I welded a spring. Spring seems to be holding up. And this has alerted me to the fact that over here on the other side, looks pretty cool, don't it? Over here on the other side, that spring's broke too. I guess I got more work to do. Weekend's over. It is time to put some stuff back where it goes. Let's see if this old girl will run. Ooh my. Better clean the truck out. Oh yeah, she runs like a champ. I swear I like how that truck sits. Well, let me go get the other one. Let's call this one a lukewarm start. Sounds pretty good too. All right, that's it for now. See ya.